Hey there, here's how you use the Erica's Gel Polish Removal Kit. It's awesome at removing gel polish off the natural nail. Let's go ahead and jump in. I love using the Dremel X bit. I prefer using the dragging method so those carbide blades do not catch on that free edge. That can often happen when you're rotating your bit this way, those blades are catching. So I am running my E-file at 25,000 RPMs, and so I'm gonna start on the left-hand side and I'm just pulling down. The Dremel X bit is really great at removing the color. To ensure that I'm doing this safely as well as efficiently, I double base always. And I take off as much color as I can. But if you're new to using carbides and might be a little concerned about using a carbide in between this lateral fold or close to the tissue, that's okay. You're just gonna switch then to a diamond bit, which is also inside our gel removal kit. So what I'm using now is the Erica's Diamond Medium Barrel. And I'm reducing my speed and running at about 10,000 RPMs. And what I'm gonna do here is I'm going to trace the remaining of color, and I'm also gonna look for any base breakdown. Keeping my bit parallel. What's nice about diamond is its cutting action is like scratching. So it's exfoliating those particles so I can get close to the skin and not worry about cutting my client. I'm also, if you see right here, there's some product breakdown. So I have to make sure that I'm removing, lifting. So I'm just gonna use the edge of my barrel and I'm just gonna tap it right out just like that. We have to ensure that we're always removing any product that's lifting, because if we don't, what's gonna continue to happen? Product is going to keep lifting. So here I am just thinning it down, seeing if there's any more breakdown, smoothing out that area in which there was some lifting so I can make sure when I reapply product, I have good bonding. All right, now that I have no more lifting, the last bit is our Erica's Cuticle Safety Sciver. And I am going to be running anywhere from 7 to 12,000 RPMs. And I absolutely love this bit. So for her type of skin, it's thinner and she's more sensitive. I'm going to run at 8,000. So here I am first in the forward direction and I am working from right to left. I will utilize my forward and reverse, but for right now, I'm gonna do all 10 fingers and I'm taking that round diamond head and I am pushing it gently into the proximal nail fold. I am not pushing into the nail plate. I am just pushing the eponychium. I'm rotating my bit while at the same time also prepping this regrowth area. Just like that. I'm gonna do all 10 fingers. I'm gonna make sure my E-file comes to a complete stop and then I'm switching into reverse. I want to be working the opposite direction in which my bit is spinning. This is very important to get the cuticle up and off the nail plate. Be sure that you are moving your client's nail, pulling back the fingertip, exposing as much of that nail plate as possible, exfoliating, exfoliating, exfoliating. Just like this. We want to make sure we're always doing this dry. Gonna do it on all 10 fingers, use some alcohol and a nylon brush. I like moving towards my client, the bristles towards my client, because I really want to open this pocket up so that I can make sure I removed all the dead skin cells. I'm gonna go ahead and push back. And just like that, I have a beautiful nail. I have removed the color. I've prepped the regrowth area. There's no lifting. Now I can do the free edge shaping and go ahead and apply product.
These 3 bits are going to be a staple, and I highly recommend that you have multiple sets. That way you can be efficient. Go ahead, like this video, and please subscribe so that you can continue to get time-saving techniques. Bye for now.